My name is John Range. I'm the Managing Director of Effectable Construction Services. Effectable's been running for about 20 years. We're a very specific company in what we do. We carry out adaptations for the elderly and less able. Geographically, we cover all boroughs of London. However, we work in any areas where the work is. The company was formed by our chairman, who unfortunately is no longer with us. He had a large building maintenance company. He recognised there was a niche market for adaptation, so he set up Effectable. It is a niche market. We don't consider ourselves a general building company. We just set our goals out of working for adaptations. N&C have been a very big, important part of building Effectable. I've worked with them primarily, I would say 28 years ago. They've been an integral part of the business. They supply most of the products we install. Their innovation on products, they're always trying to come up with new ideas and new opportunities in the equipment we install. During the lockdown, it was a very difficult time for everybody. This is where Nichols & Clark's come in extremely handy. We had lots of negotiations with N&C to make sure we had products in stock. During the lockdown, we were offered by various boroughs to help free up COVID beds. Often people with disabilities are in hospital and they cannot be discharged until adaptations have been carried out. We were asked to carry out urgent adaptations to free up COVID beds. During this time, lots of our suppliers were closed down. N&C stepped up to the plate and they were fantastic in bringing our stock levels up in our own stores, making sure we had the equipment ready to install. We use N&C because they're a one-stop shop for most of the equipment we install. They've evolved from the Phlexicare brand. We not only use the Phlexicare products, we also use their building products. We've negotiated with N&C to have our own in-house stores. We also keep huge amounts of N&C products available at all times. How we run our business, we ensure that we keep the products here rather than relying on third-party deliveries. For example, if a design of a bathroom or a kitchen has to change, we don't have to rely on deliveries. We can get the materials from our stores, which we work very closely with N&C to make sure our stock levels are kept to a level where this one affects the smooth running of the installation. So the products we install are primarily N&C products. I'd like to say we're very proud of our relationship with N&C. I'd like to think because of our relationship we probably wouldn't have got where we have today. We've worked very closely on building the business. I would say we're considered as one of the largest adaptation companies in the country, and I think the growth in part has been our relationship with N&C that helped us develop the business in no uncertain terms, and hopefully we can carry on our relationship for many years to come.